Okay, so now it's time for me as an engineer to begin adding activities or tasks as they're known in Aphex to the project, as well as organizing them to my liking through the use of packages. These custom groupings, much like folders of work that each user can create for their own tasks. Before we continue, let's take a bit of a closer look at these packages. Packages are a way of structuring work unique to Aphex, allowing for flexible organization of activities separate to the work breakdown structure you're more familiar with. This gives you the ability to organize work in a way that may make more sense to how the project is actually being delivered, helping to inform site teams of what they need to know. Packages can be created by anyone on the project and by default will be set as private, meaning that only the user that created the package can see and add tasks to it, indicated by a padlock symbol to the right of the package name on the Gantt table. The rest of the project can be given access to the package afterwards if the owner makes it public, and this changes the symbol next to the package name to that of a globe. There is a little bit more to packages that isn't pertinent to this lesson, so let's carry on. I've been charged with delivering the first abutment, so I'll add a package and call it that, and then I'll start populating it with a few tasks. I can use Shift plus Enter here to quickly add a new task as I type. Now there are more awesome shortcuts like this that work in different parts of Planner, but we'll cover these when we get to them. This compaction testing task here probably needs its own package, so I'll simply create another one and then move it across. There are a few ways to change the package, such as maybe assigning it from a column, but seeing as it's just the one, we'll drag and drop it like this. Easy. I also know another member of the team needs to have visibility of the package, meaning that I need to make it a public one. I can do so by selecting the package and then hitting the space bar, which opens up this overview, where I can then click on this padlock up here and select the public option. Sweet, so I've now got some tasks sitting in the right packages. Let's move on to how easily I can sequence the work, so my plan starts to take some real shape.